Okay, we're going to look at now from the side. And the gun is put on your, in this case, your right side. Came up with this watching a student kind of mess up something, and it just kind of clicked to me. And the gun was put on, we were working on the gun being put on the side. What do I mean by that? In Krav Maga, what they'll do from here is step out, move the gun out, and take it from here. Again, very similar to other things where you push it forward. Your hand's coming forward, you got it. Now you notice it was really tight here because Alex is close to me here and I really couldn't get into his wrist. Okay? So what I decided to do, which I thought was a little easier and more effective, is from here, because it's close to my bicep, is I just move it out. I'm catching it at the same time. Let's move a little bit of an angle so you can see. Gun is here close. I'm stepping back, tucking my stomach in as much as I can, and I'm using my forearm or my bicep, if it's a little higher, to move it off the line of fire. So one, it's a handoff. Elbow is up. I don't want to do it like this. I'll wind up maybe getting my elbow shot. So from here, one, I move back a little, tucking my belly in, come up, and it comes out really easy. Okay? One more time from here. Notice he's in close. I don't have room to be able to get this, but I can push it out. We can do the same thing when we're seated in the vehicle, by the way. Okay? So once again, push. The movement is push. This is taking the gun off, putting you out of the line of fire. This hand has got to be ready because this is a handoff. From here up, make a fist if you need, bring it to your chest. Look, I've got a wrist lock and it already helps me take the gun out pretty darn easy. From here I can turn, take them down. If I need to use them as a shield, getting out of the line of fire of an additional shooter or whatever the case may be. One more time, 1, 2. Now, we can do the same thing from the other side. Okay, if he's left-handed, by the way, if he's got a left hand, by the way, you'll practice these with a partner. It's the same basic thing here. Now, right hand, left side, a little more problematic. I don't like to employ the same tactic because if I do this, I don't have as much control. I can do it, but it's just as easy from here to pull this out and do this because I don't have to worry about anything on this side. Okay, I can come here and come take it, but I would prefer you use your hand open, move it out. Again, I'm moving back as I'm moving the line of fire forward. In this angle, okay, hands coming up. Again, verbal distraction, 1. This hand is already on the firearm, on the barrel. Lock it down. Now I turn it over, take it out, and there I go. Okay? One more time, regular speed. From here, look, I'm already, and I'm ready to go. Okay? There may be